And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. Fall while my niggas throw it up.
Hey everyone, it's Kewe. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will be watching me make this homemade vegan banana bread. Starting off, I have a medium bowl, and to that bowl, I'm adding my flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Then I'm giving that a good whisk until all is combined. Next, I'm adding my regular sugar and brown sugar, then whisking that until combined. Next, I'm getting my spatula and making a well in the center. Then I'm adding my butter, oil, milk, and vanilla and mixing that until I no longer see any flour. Okay, so now it's time for me to peel my overripe bananas. I love when the bananas get like this for banana bread. I'm telling y'all, it's the best. Then I'm mashing it up until it looks like applesauce. Next, I'm folding the bananas into the batter until incorporated, but I don't want to overmix it. Then I greased and floured my loaf pan, and now I'm putting the batter into it. Then I let it cook for an hour and some change, and boom, we have the perfect banana bread. If you live in the Houston area and would like to purchase a loaf, you can email me or DM me on my business page. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.